So I'm gonna go inside here and get my gas, and you can see it's 181. And so let's get pumped in here and put some gas in this tank. Right about here, you can't go nowhere without some good old gas. Oh. Right, so yeah, so I'm gonna do this. So I'm getting my gas, and it is $1.81. So I'm getting my newspaper. I have to get my newspaper. It is Sunday. You have to get a card, and the card is 25 cents.
I got it, Mama.
It's not 25 cents.
I got it, Mama. It's alright. I got it.
Saved by the bullets.
I get it. I got a quarter.
So we getting our. We are going to get our car. Here we go.
Yay.
Crowded. So it's not a big shopping that I'm doing. I'm just picking up a few little items that I need. That's really reasonably cheap. So it depends on where you live. You might find all this near you. Get some sweet condensed milk. So I'm gonna make my Irish mash. And they have cooking off here. And this is $1.79. So that's good. So we'll take this. Come on, let's go. So guys, you see, I'm coming up. Forget a few little things, and now I end up with a cart getting higher and higher. I am going to go to the register and ring these things up, and I'm getting out of here like right now. So,
yeah, I just bought that.
we'll see you at the register.
How's it going, Mama?
It's going good.
Okay. So tell them what you're doing, Mama.
I am bringing up food for the body.
Me? No. Okay. No, what are you gonna cook?
Well, I'm gonna be cooking fish today.
That
And whatever else comes to mind. Yeah.
Any tricks up your sleeve?
A whole heap of tricks. So yeah, for the record, Aldi's is one of the best supermarkets you could ever go to.
That's right.
The best deals. Trying to save money, this is a place to go shopping. So on my way, I'm going to the farmer's market. I'm going to pick up some little knickknacks over there, so.
Knickknacks.
Stuff to make my potato pudding and my cornmeal pudding. And don't mind the trash, guys. Nobody don't look on the trash in the back of my vehicle.
Look at all that.
You see? It's like I'm still moving. Ain't that some crap? But anyway, yeah. When did this go in here? Blueberry fruit strips? No, you this. Goodbye. You need to tell me when you're picking up stuff loaded in my car. So that way I know what's in it. No. Listen, I hate to take her and go to shopping because she always throw things in my car and then you can't pay people and nowhere in the line.
It's only one thing.
It's more than one thing. Another thing you picked up.
Okay, I picked up mints, okay? I picked.
And then you're not even going to share it.
I was. Can you read the future?
Right.
I was. Oh, goodness. Oh, it's cold.
So we are taking our cards back because we need that 25 cents.
Yeah.
I couldn't forget you. Girl, I know I really have to get you. The first time I met you, I couldn't forget you. Girl, I know I really have to get you. I saw you down the lane, girl. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I never call out your name, girl. Whoa, whoa. But I know, girl. Music! I have to see you again, girl. Whoa, whoa. I start to wonder and I start to ponder. Music! Whoa, whoa. Jalo, that I have been quiet. Music can. The one there's music can. Nice. So I'm at the farmer's market, and as you can see right there, that's the super farmer's market. Is the international farmer's market. In here you could get everything you need, like as a one stop in here. So I am trying to find a park, and I'm going to head in there and go pick up my few little things that I need to make my pudding. Caramel pudding, the sweet potato pudding, and my other little. We are heading in. Gotta go get a cart, right?
Yeah, I'm recording.
So welcome to international.
Yeah, speak up, mama, because these places loud.
I know, right?
Welcome to the supermarket.
This is sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
But I'm not gonna get this one because this is not the Jamaican sweet potato.
Wait, this is yam.
This is sweet potato. It says yam, but it is sweet potato, but it's not the Jamaican brand.
Oh. Oh, please. We can do that later. Look at all the delicacies they have.
All this stuff.
See the delicacies they have here, guys? You don't see this in many places. Rare delicacies. Watch this.
This is international. When you come here, you find everything you need. Just keep moving.
See? See? Plantain. She loves her crackers.
My crackers.
Yeah, she loves her crackers.
So let's move on. We'll buy some ginger. Gotta get my ginger.
No, that's just the music.
So I'm gonna get some ginger here because I'm gonna make ginger juice. And you should probably have everything. You name it, they got it here.
Well, probably.
I need some okra. No, they got it here. And this is the reason why I love to come to this place. You have all kind of cabbage. You have green cabbage, you have American cabbage. These right here, 89 cents a pound. I'm going to get my original cabbage. I love these. This is only 29 cents a pound. Alright, so this is the sweet potato that I'm gonna get. This is Jamaican sweet potato. And I probably only just need one. Because I'm not gonna make a very big sweet potato pudding. I'm just gonna make a decent little size one. So this one should do just fine. Also gonna buy some yellow yam. This one is perfect. It's not. I'm not going to use all of it, but I'm going to use some of it. Right, so I'm going to show you that I'm looking for coconut milk. I'm not going to use the one that I have to grate. I don't feel like going through all of that. So I'm going to buy one in the can. And of course I'm looking for a good deal, right? So GUYZ has their coconut cream for 99 cents. So I'm going to grab this one for 99 cents and use it for my looking for cornmeal. And again, I'm looking for a good deal. So this one right here on sale, this is $1.79, and I'm going to even see if I can get one that's a better deal. So let's see here. That's $2.99. Let's see. I think that's about it. This is the best one. I don't want to use too much of the refined cornmeal. So this is what I'm going to get. $1.79. Okay. So I think I got everything. I got my yam, my sweet potato, my coconut cream. I get some Jamaican hot pepper, cabbage right here, my crackers, ginger for my ginger juice, and I got, what else did I get? And I got some Coco. So I'm going to go to the register. This is the best place, one of the best supermarkets, international farmers market. You get all you need West Indian. The deals. Listen to this.
Would you believe I lost the race again?
Classical.
I'm coming again, cause I just gotta get in. Cause I'm trying to get to you.
So here we are on the way home. I'm done with everything we need. Gas on the tank, everything like that. Getting the ingredients that I need for make my caramel pudding and my potato pudding and all them good for pudding there. I'm going to be making those this week for you guys that requested them. And I wish it was nice and sunny. I wish it was nice and sunny, but it's not. It's a very bleak day. And it's cold too. You know what I'm saying? I can't believe Atlanta is like this cold. So, you know, it's bleak and everything, but I'm just working with it. It could have been raining. So yesterday I wanted to come out and do some grocery shopping. Cold, bleaky, and frigid. But nothing to me like some Atlanta, so baby. We finally made it home. I'm so exhausted, okay? So I am finished up with my grocery shopping, guys. As you can see, I have everything here. And so I'm just gonna start cooking my dinner and stuff like that before it gets any later. And go ahead and edit this video for you guys. And so thank you for tuning in with me and see what I do. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. Gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage. You know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.